Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing the essentials: geometry logged in, the YouTube URL ready, and a way to extract audio. First, play the song and mark start/and timestamps so you keep the exact segment. This prevents copyright flags and reduces file size. Next, use a reliable MP3 downloader or local recorder to obtain the track, saving at 128/320 kbps for balance of quality and size. Once done, name the file clearly with the song and timestamp to avoid confusion later. Now you refine the audio. Load the MP3 into an editor like Audacity and trim precisely to the flagged timestamps so the loop or cut matches gameplay. Make sure to normalize or compress so volume is consistent in game. Overly loud or clipped audio may be rejected or unpleasant. Export as MP3 at 128/320 kbps and check sample rate at 44.1 kHz. If geometry requires a different format, convert it while keeping the file name simple and unique. This prevents upload collisions. Finish by uploading. Open geometry go to the audio upload area and select your edited MP3. You will set title and artist, use clear names so you can find it, and generate a short preview. This helps you confirm the segment starts and loops correctly. Once uploaded, assign the audio to a test level and play through the first 15-30 seconds to confirm sync. If something goes wrong, try re-exporting at a lower bitrate, rename the file, or trim tiny fractions of a second to resolve rejection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.